For individuals looking to get into the biopharmaceutical industry, I would recommend looking at upskilling courses and also looking at organisations that specialise in courses relevant to the industry, such as Biopharma, ATU in Sligo, and also looking at the skills that are transferable from other industries into biopharmaceutical manufacturing.
So for any candidates looking to join BioMarin, I would say go to the careers webpage, apply for roles that you have a passion for, and really share the experience you have to date. We've got a range of roles from entry level right through to really experienced, and we'd welcome all people to apply.
My advice would be to network as much as you can, and within PDA we have lots of events to help facilitate that. You can come speak to someone about what it's like to work in a company, what it's like to work with core values, how to get from A to B in your career, which you can get a lot more from just maybe than just looking up a website.
My advice would be to approach every role as a potential role, have an open mind and be ready for change. The industry is continually changing, so you'll need an agile and open mindset to succeed, but we know that you will.
So the advice I would give to candidates is don't wait till you finish your exams to apply in, because obviously we have a certain amount of people we can put on our grad programme. We always interview people as they come in if they fit the bill. A lot of people think grad programs are like, oh, I only have 6 months and then I'll have to go and get a real job, so I'll go to a pharmaceutical company rather than going on a grad program. That's not the case with us. So realistically, the graduation program for us is the opening into your career. It's the entry-level step you need into your career.
My advice would be to take your time and don't shy away from putting in an application if you're afraid you might not have one or two of the listed items in the requirements. Ask those questions, that's why we're here today, or pop in a CV. We will always provide feedback. Our applications are filtered through one by one, so it's a really tailored experience that you're getting from the candidate experience team or the CX team, which is myself and my colleagues. So really, we welcome your application. If we don't have something now, we will absolutely have something for you in the not so distant future.
I think it's just about maybe looking for as many opportunities as they can, especially while they're studying, getting in the internships. And definitely keeping an eye out for graduate programs, particularly Sanofi's graduate program. As I said, I've come up to the graduate program myself many years ago. It's an excellent opportunity. You get a lot of different varied experience, and to keep an eye on it early in the year as well, because I know a lot of graduate programs recruit, say September, October for next year, so you don't want to miss the boat on those ones.
The advice I would give is to ensure that your CV is good and clear. You have the details. If it's a lab-based role, clearly detail the techniques that you've experience in. And then when you get accepted on an interview, ensure that you have the knowledge to discuss, to be able to describe the type of experience you have in those various different types of techniques. And I suppose just to be open and flexible and engaging with the recruiters too as well, because you might have a background in chemistry, but there might be opportunities in a biochemistry lab that you can be open to upskill as well in biologics as well too.
The advice I give today is not to be deterred if you don't have any roles for you today. There are always roles opening up, and keep an eye on our website and you will see the role for you at some point.